Definitely, definitely.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो अभी पता चले.
So I think I congratulations to Iftikhar. Is 100.
मेहरबानी करके मुझे समझाइए, मेरी समझ में कुछ नहीं आ रहा.
I think all the credit to the fan, the way his sport, all the PSL, and then all the come to stadium and all the sport to the players. The everyone is love it. So we come and in the final and support the team and PSL.
Well done.
Yes, definitely. When you're playing a lot of cricket, you need
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
form. You need form. So they help me a lot. That Sri Lanka Premier League, they help me a lot in the.
No, we are very excited and very like looking forward to this game, and we just want to play a perfect game. We haven't played a perfect game. We might have to play today a perfect game, and we are looking for that.
नहीं सारुण के यहाँ कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, जरूर कोई ना कोई.
It's the same pitch. I think these pitch, this is the kind of pitches that we have been having since we are here. So it's nothing different. I think.
क्या कहना क्या चाह रहे हैं भाई आप?
This is some things, everything can accept from somewhere, everywhere. But I think we are already with Jason. Lots of people are talking with them. They're going that.
इंग्लिश बोलो, टूटी फूटी जैसी भी आती है, बस बोलना है.
Yeah, of course, Sri Lanka is probably one of the very good side in Asia. So beating them is always great, and we have a momentum with us. We just wanted to play good cricket and execute our plan for 40 overs, and that will be good enough for.
Yeah, definitely. Fakhar Zaman carrying the Haris Sohail and Shoaib Maksud, after 5 years he's come back, but he is a good PSL, and Fakhar Zaman carrying his form in South Africa. So yeah.
More opportunity in Tauranga. How do you turn around? What's one key thing in terms of beating this New Zealand side for you guys?
Basically, if you look at the New Zealand side, they are a perfect side. They know the conditions. They use very well the conditions. We don't know about the Taranga pitch, what the conditions demand there. We will just look the conditions and we will do that what the condition demands.
तू समझा? हाँ. नहीं, तू समझा नहीं.
So some things, everything can accept from somewhere, everywhere. But I think we are already with Jason. Lots of people are talking with them. They're going that. But what the Gary did, and this is not my topic, and because this is only for management and BC with the coaches. No, you can't say anything like that. We did a mistake with the one spinner, because you always gave it the one key spinner. If you look at that Indian team also, they have a Kuldeep is the front line spinner. Jadeja is like a all-rounder, as a Patel is like a rounder. We also have Salman.
सारे मिलके हमको पागल बना रहे हैं.
मजा आया, और मैं ये जो मजा है हिंदुस्तान के हर व्यक्ति को देना.
अरे बाप रे, ये तो धोती खोल रहा है.
देखा आपने लापरवाही का नतीजा है.
और अभी तो रुको, क्लाइमैक्स अभी बाकी.
Final match you perform, what happening?
Huh?
Final match you perform, what happening?
What do you mean?
Final match you perform. What happening?
Final match you perform. What happening?
I was about it's like no good is the final match your performance. What happening?
Huh? What do you mean?
Final match you perform.
अब अगर तुम लोग नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करो, वो जो लाल वाला बटन है उसके साथ स्कैम करो या फिर महफिल जमाओ, मुझे नहीं पता, बस क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए.